Hello everyone, it's Miros, and you know that beautiful device Huawei P60 Pro is already out, and I make a camera comparison between this big camera bump and iPhone 14 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You can check that video comparison somewhere here, but today we are not here for that. We are here because of something this device is missing the most, and these are the Google services. And today I will show you how you can add these Google services on your Huawei device. Not only P60 Pro, but every Huawei device which is missing Google services right now. Let's Googlefy this Huawei P60 Pro. Okay, just I want to show you that all the Google applications are working perfectly. For example, Google Drive is working and I can sync my files, and that, guys, means you can sync your WhatsApp chats with your Google Drive. My files are here, so I can check everything, and Google Drive is working. YouTube is working too. My last watched video is here, and you can see everything is just fine. I receive notifications from Google, from YouTube, and from every application I need. Gmail is also here and it's working. Also, I have here even the Play Store icon, and everything is here thanks to that application, Gbox. That is the solution for now, using Google services for Huawei devices. This is the easiest method to use them on every Huawei device missing Google services. So follow me to explain you how to install everything here. Okay guys, everything is cleared, and I will start from scratch just to show you the whole process of installing Google services on your Huawei device. I will do this on Huawei P60 Pro, but keep in mind that this will work for every Huawei device missing Google services. And the first step is to open our browser. Go to that website, gboxlab.com. And guys, keep in mind every link will be in video description, so always check first there. And of course, the first step here is to tap free download. That is very important. This application is free, so we don't receive any advertising or anything inside the app. This is just free application working on our Huawei devices, and you can thank these guys always by like and share their work. Just tap here free download and download the application. I already downloaded, but never mind, I will download again just to show you the whole process. When download is complete, just tap on the application, allow and install. Guys, remember, follow these steps very carefully because there are hidden tricks inside these steps and you won't miss them. Just tap here open, agree, wait it a minute, disable battery optimization. You need to disable that because otherwise just not everything will work as it should be. So tap here disable, follow the guides here, let's check here. So we have here the battery optimization is already disabled, but we have other permissions to enable. Require permissions, tap on enable, allow to access the files, of course this is important. And my advice here is to do the following. Just do like this, hold your finger on the Gbox icon, go inside the options of the application and tap on permissions. Now give it all the permissions. If you want everything to work as you expect, just give it all the permissions. This is a personal decision. I recommend to do this, but at the end the decision is yours, so I will give it all the permissions. And that's it. Now I have all the permissions enabled for that Gbox application. Here comes the important part. So if you previously used this application, you can tap here on the Gbox logo and select not logged. Tap here and just log in. Now you can see I am logged with my Huawei account. My advice here is do not install any of these applications. Why? I will show you. So now go to your browser to the same web page we already was, which is gboxlab.com, and now tap here on the sandwich menu and select app availability. Select it and you can see here all the available apps for Gbox: Amazon, Airbnb, Duolingo, Dropbox, Facebook, Google Maps, so on and so on. You can check all the applications, and of course keep in mind this application list is expanded all the time, so Gbox team are updating their work and every day new applications are popping up here, so this is important. Keep in mind that. So I will start first with the Gmail. Just tap on it. here is the download button and the download process will start. Go back and select the other applications which you want. I will select YouTube, download. Gmail is already downloaded, and install it. It's installed, just tap done. Let's go back and select the other applications which we want to download. If you want WhatsApp, just tap here and download it. Just download everything which you need from here. So now comes the explanation part, guys, why we are download the apps separately from the website and not from the Gbox itself. Because doing like this, all the apps will be installed separately, not inside the Gbox but outside the Gbox in your main storage, and that means you can operate them as a separate application. Of course you will need Gbox, but you can operate them at any time. So first let's open YouTube, for example. Of course we need to log in with our Google account. Here the YouTube is opened. Now you can tap here and select sign in, add account. Enter your Google account, of course. And now we are signed in with our Google account in the YouTube itself. So let's check now the other applications, and you can see, guys, now if you hold your finger here and go to the apps list, you can see that YouTube is a separate application, not Gbox itself holding YouTube inside it, but YouTube is separate applications. And from here you can tap on notifications and change your notifications. The other advice which I can give you is just when you are here in the app settings, when you go in power usage details, tap on launch settings, disable manage automatically, and auto launch, secondary launch and running background should be enabled. In that way you will receive notifications. Other way probably you will miss notifications from these applications, and you can do this for every other application you are using. Now let's tap here and you can see we have now, when you launch the application, it is now coming here in the installed apps. So let's launch Gmail. We already have added our account in Gbox, so it is here. Take me to Gmail, and of course when you first open it you need to enable that account synchronization, which is here, sync Gmail, and now we are ready. We have our account here in Gmail too. Do the same here. Just hold your finger here, go in power usage details, launch settings, disable manage automatically, and these three should be enabled to receive all the notifications. Now do the same for the Drive. When you download Google Drive and you are already signed in with your account, here comes the important part, because lots of people are asking, how can I synchronize my WhatsApp data from Google Drive to my Huawei device? This is the way. When you download Google Drive and WhatsApp separately from Gbox website, here is the WhatsApp Messenger, and now if you open WhatsApp, I didn't have a WhatsApp account connected with this G Drive account, but this is the way. Just enter your number and you can synchronize here all your chat history from Google Drive to that Huawei device. That's it, guys. This is the way to do this. Open Google Maps, location is working perfectly for the maps, so everything is just perfect. And guys, these are the available applications here on the website. Of course, if you need more applications, you can always open the Play Store inside Gbox by going to it and select, for example, Google Translate and select download, and it will open Play Store. But if you are like me, in this case it's opening Huawei App Gallery. It's not opening Google Play Store, and you can download applications from there. I will show you how to do this. And also, guys, if you download from the website, this is very important for me, Google Photos for example, and you install them on your device. I already show you that I have notifications coming from Google Photos. If you install them like a separate application, as I already explained you, all your pictures will be synchronized with Google Photos. This is very important for me because I switch devices constantly and I'm not using only Huawei device. That's why I need that Google Photos. When you open it, you can see the whole process is straightforward and it's very easy. Turn on backup, of course. And now all your pictures will be synchronized with this account and you can always open them. You will receive notifications. As I already explained you, all links will be in video description. This is the link which I was talking about. Just remember it. I will just copy that link. It will be in video description. But we need to download an application. Just paste the link here. Let's tap on it. Play Store shortcut. Just a simple, very small application. You can see it is already installed. Now download, sorry. Now when it's downloaded, just tap on it and install it. Allow it. This is not the real Play Store. Keep in mind that. Here it is now. When you tap on it, nothing will happen. But what we need to do is just open Gbox, tap here on the logo and select clone. And now guys, select Play Store and select clone. Now we have a cloned Play Store application inside Gbox and outside too. Here it is. This is the clone application and when you tap it, you can see what's happened. Play Store is opened and you can search and download every application that you need. Of course, this is the shortcut we created and you can always uninstall it when you are ready. When you just install it inside Gbox, and now when you tap it, it will point you directly to the Play Store. With that shortcut, you can thank me by subscribing to my channel and like my videos. Don't forget that, because all these researches are taking me lots of time, but I'm trying to help everyone, as you know. So we now have a Play Store button which is working and you can install every application, for example YouTube Music. Here it is. Let's just install it. You can see everything is downloading as we have a real native Google services coming with our Huawei device, and by that way we have almost native Google services. We will receive notifications, we can sync our WhatsApp chat history, we can receive YouTube notifications, and every application is installed separately and it can operate separately. So just remember, give it all the permissions and disable battery optimization. So I can use my device as every regular device, and you can see I have that DAVX5 application which syncs my Google contacts here on my Huawei device, and they are real-time synced. So if I add a contact here in my Huawei device, it will directly sync it with my Google account. If you want to understand how to do this, just check up here. The link is here for my video and you can create that easily. And now guys, we have now all the applications. We have also notifications. Everything is working perfectly. Be patient, more applications will be added to Gbox, so don't forget to check their website and give them a credit, of course. We have now all the major Google applications, even the Play Store shortcut here. I already show you how. Remember, all the links are in video description, and that was it guys. If you want more, just don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and check my channel every day. Thanks for watching and have a nice day, of course.